Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. You are warm welcome to our online class. I am pretty sure that most of you may thought that who is this unfamiliar new teacher? Yes, you are right in thinking. I am a new staff of MDI school. I am Abdul Majid Bukhari from Nellikut, nearest place of Karapuram, Muthedam Gram Panchayat. Inshallah, today onwards, I will be with you, helping in your studying, in your progress. May Allah shower His mercy upon you and us. Yes, today we are going to start our GK subject. General knowledge. Needless to say, the importance of the general knowledge, because it is indeed needed in every part of our life. In particular, as a student, we should bother about events and important things happening around our world. We have many subjects to study in our standard, 8th standard. We are studying English, we are studying mathematics, we are studying different types of science, we are studying agriculture, environment, and different types of subject. Addition with this subject, we have to study GK. GK contain all of these subjects. It is very, very important in our life, especially in our career life. When we want a job in our future, we have to face a examination, PSC or UPSC or such examinations. Here, if you are very well in your GK, then it is very simple, humble, noble to reach or to fulfill your dream, to succeed in every exam. So I kindly request you, we should be bothered about the importance and the significance of this subject, and you have to try your best to study this subject. Okay, are you ready? Yes. In 8th class, we have to study this book, Grow with GK. This is our GK textbook. Okay, we have to study different types of very, very interesting subjects are there, points are there with funny and pictures. It is very easy to study. Okay, let us take the first unit. Here you can say, please take your textbook. You can say, you can see in the 5th page the different flowers. Yes, flowers are very beautiful one. Am I correct or not? Yes, flowers are very beautiful. Why? Because it gives comfortance in our mind. It provides very good smell and it strengthens our body, our energy, and it will make the beauty of the world. Okay, so flowers are very important in our nature. So we have to realize very, very important flowers in the world. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers are there to realize. I just read the first 2 lines. Flowers are very attractive and form the reproductive structure of the plant. Pollination of flowers is carried out with the help of birds, insects, animals, wind and water. We have studied in previous class. Pollination of flowers is carried out with the help of birds, insects. Can you see insects? Yes, small animal, insects. The other animals and wind and water. Okay? Yes. These are the main things to help in the pollination of flower. Okay? Here there is a headline. Identify the following flowers. It is your duty. Identify the following flowers. There are 7 flowers in our first chapter. You have to identify. There are some clues. Textbook provides you some clues. So you have to find out the name of these flowers. At last of that page you can say help box. In the help box there are 7 names. You have to select which is the correct. There is some descriptions or the qualifications of flowers with the picture of that flower. You can see at the first there is a picture of flower at the top, and behind this there is the descriptions. You can read it. This paper flower has bracts that are thin and papery. Each cluster of 3 flowers is surrounded by 3 or 6 bracts having bright color. That is the peculiarities of this flower. Okay? Yes. You have to find out which is the name. What is the name of this flower? There is in help box. There is the correct name, but you have to select. There are 7 names. Okay. Next, second one. There is a flower. Yes, we know, we have seen it several times in our life. It is a flower commonly found in various colors in Kerala. It is also known as the Chinese rose. It is also known as the Chinese rose. Which is the flower? What is the name of that flower? You can select the correct name from the help box. Third one, it is a night flowering plant which is called the queen of the night. Queen of the night. Raat ki Rani. It has a fragrant white flower. Which is the flower? Yes, very simple one. There is fourth one. This is a bulbous plant with showy flowers. Its different varieties are mainly found in the Pamir, Hindu Kush and Tian Shan mountain. From these mountains you can find out. This flower is found out from these mountains. Which are the mountains? Pamir, Hindu Kush, and Tian Shan Mountain. Okay. Then, fifth one. It is a national flower of Mexico. It is the national flower of Mexico. There are around 36 brightly colored varieties of this flower. Which is this? Then sixth one, second last, it derives its name from day's eye. Day's eye. As the flower blooms at dawn and closes at dusk. That is, it blooms at dawn, the morning, and it blooms and closes at dusk. Evening it closes, which is the flower. There is the 4 pictures of the flower, images of the flower. Then it is very easy to find out. Next, last one. It is found in Nilgiri Hills of the Western Ghats. Nilgiri Hills. The flower gets its name from the purplish blue flowers of the shrub, which blooms once in 12 years. Main important point of this flower, which blooms once in 12 years. If it blooms now or today, then after 12 years, it blooms again. Okay, that is the speciality of this flower. So there is a help box. You can find out, you can search in our Google, or you can accept whatever way you want. You don't mind, but it is your duty to find out, and you have to send me the answer. Inshallah, I will correct your answer. I will clear your doubts. Okay. It is very important to recognize the flowers, to be familiar with the flowers. Okay. Let us see again in next class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. See you again. Thank you for watching this video.